Hey, hello everyone. Today, some of the students of class 8A are going to present a short performance where each and everybody of us are going to tribute Sushant Singh Rajput. Participants are Ritobroto De, Shagnik Shur, Dhanishta Paul, Rishabh Ghosh, Poulomi Patro, Anvita Biswas, and Adrija Biswas. It's directed by Shagnik Shur. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. जय हो शंकरा
भोलेनाथ शंकरा
आदिदेव शंकरा
ए शिवाय शंकरा
तेरे जाप के बिना
भोलेनाथ शंकरा
चले ये सांस किस तरह
ए शिवाय शंकरा
मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला
क्या बुरा है क्या भला क्या बुरा है क्या भला
तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख बूंद के चला
आंख बूंद के चला आंख बूंद के चला
तेरे नाम की जोट ने सारा हल्लिया थमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा सृष्टि के जन्म से भी
ओ
पहले तेरा वास था
ओ
ये जग रहे अनाड़ रे
ओ
रहेगी तेरी आस था
ओ
क्या समय क्या पड़े दोनों में तेरी महानता 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 सीतियों की ओट में
भोलेनाथ शंकरा
मोतिया हो जिस तरह
ए शिवाय शंकरा
मेरे मन में शंकरा
भोलेनाथ शंकरा
तू बसा है उस तरह
ए शिवाय शंकरा
मुझे भड़कता जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा
था कभी नहीं मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा
अर्थ क्या ने अर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा
जो भी है सभी तेरा जो भी है सभी तेरा
तेरे सामने है चुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
Sushant Singh Rajput, our beloved Sushi, had left us on 14th June 2020 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. He was an Indian actor best known for his work in Hindi cinema. He starred in a number of commercially successful Bollywood films such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story 2016, where he played the role of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The lead role had made the film too viral that even all the countries were reviewing it on YouTube. Due to his bequest in Bollywood industry, he acquired a Screen Award and was nominated for the Filmfare Awards on 3 occasions. He appeared on Forbes India Celebrities 100 list twice since 2017. The other viral films of Sushant Singh Rajput were Kedarnath 2018, Chichore 2019, Rapta 2017, and much more. He made his life educated from Patna, Bihar. Rajput started his career after dropping out his engineering course at Delhi College of Engineering. He entered the theatre industry in Mumbai also. Never ever we thought of this man about his death at early age of 34. After winning his first nomination for the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor, he became the winning nomination at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne. He was also background dancer where he was seen in the song of Dhoom and Dhoom 2. His last film Dil Bechara, where he played the role of Manny with Sanjana Sanghi Akakizi, had made us cry. To celebrate the legacy of Sushi, this film was made free everywhere. But sadness is nothing but the expression of emotions. Sushant is there in everybody's pure heart.
खैरियत पूछो
कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है। अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है।
A poem about our Bollywood legend Sushant Singh Rajput. We get observed about with the future and anxious about it. You should just be in the present and not concerned about what's going to happen. Should be excited about experiencing what's there right now in the present. No matter what you achieve, what you aspire to be, or how famous and powerful you became, the most important thing is whether you are excited about each and every moment in your life because of your work and the people around you. As long as you were, I was. Now, just in my memories, I came alive like the shadow, but just flickers. Time doesn't move here. It's beautiful, mother, it's forever. Everybody is in a hurry to decode you in a certain way, and then they expect you to adhere to their destination. How can they possibly do that when you yourself are finding it hard to discover yourself? Sushant Singh Rajput is always in the heart and alive. We don't think that he is dead, cause he is not only a star, he is a big person in all people's heart. Thank you.
Sushant Singh Rajput was an Indian actor best known for his work in Hindi cinemas. He was born in 21 January 1986. He starred in a number of commercially successful Bollywood movies such as MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Kedarnath and Chinchode. Due to his contribution to the film industry, he received a Screen Award and was nominated for the Filmfare Award on 3 occasions. Sushant Singh Rajput started his career after dropping out of his engineering college at the Lilly College of Engineering and entering the theatre industry in Mumbai. He moved on to feature in Hindi television serial and made his debut on his first romantic drama Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil, followed by his lead role in the soap opera Pavitra Rishta. He made his Bollywood debut in the film adaptation Koi Puche. Apart from acting, he was the founder of non-profit organization and has been credited as the co-founder of a technology startup. Sushant Singh Rajput sadly died by suicide at his home in Bandra, Mumbai in 2020, aged 34. His last film, Dil Bechara, was released after his death. Thank you.
तू आता है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवाओं के जैसे चलता है तू